another side band coming at you live this evening from on board the Red Mercury. And a little bit rough out here tonight on the high seas. We've got the winds out of the northwest, probably about, a little while ago it was 12 knots, but it seems like a little bit more than that right now. It's probably pushing about 16, 18 knots. It's getting kind of rough out here. And pretty good chop going on. I can hear it lapping up against the hull. So there's whiteback. We're feeling it. It's we're definitely got a storm coming in. So not much for work on board the Red Mercury right now. We can't get too much done in the lab. When we've got crap flying all over the place. So we kind of got to shut it down. But wow, what a week! I don't know about you guys out there, but we've had a hell of a week here on board the Red Mercury. Regulatory agencies, and we've got an audit coming up next week. We've had a few experiments go awry. We're not quite sure what's going on with that. I guess it's back to the drawing board on that. I'm not quite sure, but hopefully we can't get that figured out here pretty soon. That's how we get paid. So let's see what we can come up with. Want to get some shout-outs. Nextmaster, Western Massachusetts, coming in at an F3. We're getting out there. Sounds like there's lots of noise going on out there. Chippewa, Northwest Oregon, F5. Definitely appreciate that signal report from that direction. Radiation Radio, thank you so much. Out there on the West Coast somewhere, or in there on the West Coast, depending on where you're at, I guess. Coming in F7. Joseph Farley, Joe Farley, Chicago, solid LC. Like to hear that. So Joe, thank you so much for that. It's Jay Farley, Joe Farley, Joseph Farley. When I see your report, I'm real happy to see you. You're definitely a beacon out there for us. If you only knew what Chicago meant to us, it gives us a really good idea of how propagation is, how the radio is working, how that Yorkshire transmitter is putting out that wattage. So thank you so much for that, Joe. And Acid Redstone. Hopefully I got that right. I'm not quite sure on that, but looks like an F4 in Houston. And Dr. Strangelove coming in right behind everybody there. F9. Definitely like to see those F9s. I like to talk to them. I like to get out there. We may be bringing some more equipment on board the Red Mercury coming up this summer, if you will. And we'll see how that works. We're thinking about getting some heat, if you will. We're going to be putting a little bit more voltage through some equipment. Maybe we can get out there a little bit better. We're not quite sure. The Yoshi puts on about 110 watts. And the Yoshi, incidentally, I don't know if all of you know how we found the Yoshi. Some of you out there in Radio Land probably remember the story we told about this. But the Yoshi transmitter was actually found in the great state of New Mexico back in the 50s, so late 50s, if you will. We're not quite sure how it works, what makes it click, but we have done some research and some studies on the radio itself, and looks like it puts out about 110 watts. That's about what we get on this transceiver, this radio device. So can't get too much out on the Yoshi itself. It's kind of a highly top secret radio apparatus, but I can give you that. She puts out about 110 watts, and actually found her up in the desert, in the middle of nowhere, in the great state of New Mexico. I think it was about 1959 when she showed up, but anyway, I'm not going to get too much out there. Hangar 18 we just heard from Megadeth, and I don't know if you knew it or not, but I jam myself. I've been in a few bands throughout my existence, and I actually play bass guitar, so with 8 solos there, and they kind of go back to back, Dave Mustaine and Marty Friedman, just kind of throwing audio off each other, and 8 solos there in that song. I definitely like that song and appreciate that song, and I like to try to crank a few of those out of the bass, but for some reason I just can't do it. I tune down an octave, so it's kind of hard to play with that type of speed, but I'm just a novice, if you will, on that bass guitar. But let's see if we can't get some more music going here. I think we're probably going to wrap it up here pretty soon. We've got quite a bit of work to do here on board the Red Mercury before next week, so don't want to try and keep it too much of your time, but definitely want to throw some audio out there. I know we've got some people listening out there, so let's see what we can come up with here. Here's a very good one. I haven't heard this in a while, and I really like this. Pretty good solos in this, pretty good guitar work, and I can definitely appreciate that. So let's go ahead and spin this one up here. It's 6 minutes, 10 seconds. Let's see if we can't get some people dancing out there. I know Spike was pretty fired up earlier, and he was stuck down in the laboratory for pretty much all week. Spike's a lab rat, if you didn't know. And he's actually up here with me in the radio room right now. So Spike, let's see what you think about this one. Another